On the curb in Los Santos, I'm posted by the train. Palm trees look rich, the block still feel pain. Met you by the market, red heels, tight eyes. You said don't get too close, with the truth in your lies. Your laugh cut clean through the smoke and the heat. I was broke on the corner, you was working the street. Now I'm back every night when the sidewalk's thin. Trying not to fall hard, but I'm gone again. And your name stay on my tongue, like a prayer I shouldn't say. Got a gang on my back, and they don't love this way. Los Santos hold me down. I fell too fast, I know it now. Los Santos hold me down. She got my heart, that dirty crown. Hold me down. Hold me down. It's They say I'm slipping, I'm looking too soft, 'cause I pay for your time and I can't call it off. They want blood for a handoff, they want rules for the lane. But I seen you with tears when the hard rain came. You count your bills in the back of the room, I count the sirens when they circle the block. You said love ain't free, baby, neither is trust. Till I kiss your mouth like I'm running from dust. And your name stay on my tongue, like a prayer I shouldn't say. Got a gang on my back, and they don't love this way. Los Santos hold me down. I fell too fast, I know it now. Los Santos hold me down. She got my heart, that dirty crown. Hold me down. Hold me down. If they come, I'm gone for you. If you leave, I'll split in two. One more night, one more lie, one more block where we survive. Los Santos hold me down. I fell too fast, I know it now. Los Santos hold me down. She got my heart, that dirty crown.